Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of Android tutorial. In this episode we are going to learn about how to check the current available network on an Android device. So you can check whether now the device is connected to a mobile network or it is now connected to a Wi-Fi network, etc. So here I'm going to demonstrate how to check the current network information of a device. So here in this on my computer using an Android virtual device, Genymotion virtual device. So now here I'm going to check the current network status. So go to the settings. Now this virtual device is connected to a Wi-Fi network of my computer. That means now this AVD is connected to the local Wi-Fi network available on my computer. Okay, so now we are going to create an Android application that check what is the current network status of the device. So here in this application I place a button on the XML file that whenever user click the button, it will check the current network status of this device. So here I create a non-click method called find network. So go to the main activity.java class file. Here I already defined that method called find network. Okay, the first object you need is the connectivity manager. So here I'm going to create that object, connectivity manager. I name it as CM equal to, use the method called get system service, and you have to specify that system service. Here we are going to use the connectivity service, so choose that service. Okay, so the next object we need, here is something, here we got an error. Okay, you need to cast it into the corresponding object. Okay, now the next object is the network info object. So we have to create object for that class, network info object. Network info, I name it as network info, NINFO equal to, and we are using that object of connectivity manager ZM dot get active network info. Use that method called get active network info. Okay, now we have to check the information available on the network info object. So here I'm going to start an if loop. If the info is not null, is not equal to null, and info dot is connected, that is the condition. That means if that object is not null and now it is connected to the device, so here we just display a message dot make text using the base context, a network is connected. A network is connected, and that network is we have to find out that network name using that method called get item. We are using that method called info dot, there is a method called get subtype name, sorry, get type name. That is the method. By using this method you can get the active network name and specify duration toast dot make it as long, and now make the toast visible using show method. Okay, so if that object is null, that means there is no active network is now available, So here in this case I'm going to print a message using toast again. That means now there is no network is available on the device. No network is available. Okay, so now we complete the coding. We just create an object of the connectivity manager class using that method called get system service, and we use the service connectivity service. And the second object we needed is the network info object, and we initialize that object using the connectivity manager class object. And finally we have to check whether that network info class object is null, and now we check whether it is now currently connected. Okay, now we can check the application. Okay, now I am going to run the application. So run as Android application. Okay, now the project is launched and click the button. A network is now available and the network is Wi-Fi network. Okay guys, this is how we check the current network status of a device in Android using the connectivity manager class object and the network info class object. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next part.